Alright then, hello guys. Today we're doing the last printer shares challenge. We're gonna be doing printer shares 3. So let's get started. It says I accidentally left a debug script in place. Well, I think that's fine. No one could possibly access my super secret directory. Additional details will be available after launching our challenge instance. So as soon as we click on it, we get two hints. It says a suspicious script is running every minute, and it says this script runs every minute. You might need to wait for a while. So we get I guess we get a SMB directory that we could run an SMB client on. So we'll just run the same thing that we've been doing for the past challenges. So we're gonna run SMB client, and we want to print out whatever it has, and then we want to be able to ignore some of the stuff. So the dash n, so does not ask us for a pop out, and then secure shares. We're gonna I'm not even sure if it's called Green Hill. They might have changed the name. But that's why we have us right here, which is PicoCTF Dolphin. So we'll just copy that. And then I'm assuming it's a different port, so we'll just delete that. And then we'll see 6450264. And then we'll just run n. And we see anonymous login was successful. We see shares, secure shares, and IPC. So we're gonna try shares. So let's do shares, and then we just delete that. See if we could connect to it. There, get script .sh. Let's try ls. Get script .sh. Get cron.log, exit cat cron.log. We get health checks, and then we cat script.sh. We set echo hello the date. So I guess the challenge that it's asking us is that this script is supposedly running every minute, and I'm assuming that it prints out date every minute. So what we could do is basically modify this script, because I'm pretty sure we could modify it without any consequences. Upload it, but just change the whole change the content inside the script since it's running it without any checks so far in the background. So that basically means we can modify the script to, I guess, print out the flag for us. But first we need to, I guess, see where the flag is located. So what we could do is basically we could run find a specific file. We're gonna find it by name. And what we're trying to find is basically flag.txt, which could be represented as flag.txt or flag, basically, because we don't know if it's going to end with any type of format. And then what we could do is search for it, and then anything that doesn't get printed out or that prints out errors, we could just redirect it to null, so only prints out success. So dev null. So this should work. And now if we go back and just SMB inside here, put script.sh. Now we have to wait a bit. We have to wait like a minute so far for it to take in effect. Or maybe we could bring it out right now, but we'll just wait a minute to see if it changes anything. Oh, could we even cat stuff right here? I don't think we could. No, we can't. ls. Yeah, we gotta wait until 14 hits. Yeah, we gotta wait until 14 hits because we put it at 12:56. Script.sh got updated at 12:56, but right now it barely did an upgrade at 13:01. Once it hits 14 on my timer, this should say 14. And from right here, we could check it again to see if anything modified. We just want to see a modification within cron.log since it's running every minute. So that's the only, I guess, weird thing about these challenges. Just got to wait it out a bit and see whenever something gets added. See 107. 1121. Oh, I got it. So we'll just get cron dot log exit cat cron dot log flags. But we see it right here. Challenge secure shares flag dot txt. So we'll just do nano script dot sh, and what we'll just do is basically run cat. We'll just run cat. Yeah, we just literally just cat the flag where it's located. Cat. Oop. Cat challenge secure flags dot txt. Just copy that. Nano script dot sh. And now if we go back here and we do the puts command again, put script dot sh ls, and it's gonna take a while again. So I guess that's the sucky thing about this challenge. You gotta wait for it until it loads back. And then either way, after this, I need to rebuild my Docker container because at the moment it doesn't include seclist. So every time I need to apt install seclist. So that's like the weird part. So 1501. Once it changes to 1601, that's when we could like download it and see what's going on behind the scenes. Oh, 1602. Got it. Get cron.log. Getting file exit cat cron.log, and we get PicoCTF SMB printer share reverse. So we just copy this and put it inside here, and that should solve this PicoCTF challenge. Submit, and we solved it. So yeah, pretty cool challenge. You learn about cron jobs as well as modifying a cron job so you could use it to exploit a service. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys learned something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.